Hello and welcome back. And today I want to talk about the topic how to become a disciplined trader, how to respect your rules a little bit better, how to avoid breaking the rules, making stupid mistakes, because I often get asked the question around those areas in our trading, and I see that many traders approach it from the wrong direction and also don't understand what it really fully takes to become more disciplined and how to develop discipline in your trading. But before we start, I just wanted to make a quick shout out. If there are some German traders or German people watching it, make sure to leave a comment in the subscription box below, or in the comment box, I should say, because we are probably soon starting a German podcast about trading, and we want to see if there is any major interest in that. So let me hear about if you are from Germany and if you would like to see a German podcast. But don't worry, English videos will remain the same. So discipline is not like a switch which you can just turn on and turn off. So many traders misbelieve or have the wrong idea that when they come to their trading desk, they just flip on this discipline switch somehow, or they're looking for this special trick where they can suddenly become a more disciplined trader and follow their rules suddenly, avoid breaking rules and avoid making the repeated mistakes again that cost them so much money. But it does not work that way. Discipline is more like a muscle that you need to develop and that you need to train and develop over time. And discipline is not only limited to trading, obviously, and the way you handle or the way you go through life in general and how you apply discipline in your daily life also will manifest in your trading, and vice versa. So it means that if you are disciplined in your daily life, you are probably going to be or going to have an easier time to also apply this discipline in your trading. Whereas if you are not very disciplined in your daily life, you struggle with discipline during workouts, during your work, your studies, or whatever it is, I have seen that those people also struggle with being disciplined in front of their charts. So first of all, ask yourself, how disciplined are you in your daily life? Could you be a little bit more disciplined? And does this also manifest in your trading, or do you see some relationship here? So for me, for example, whenever I talk to a trader, I always recommend that be very, very cautious and conscious about how you make your daily decisions, how you go through life, how you self-talk, because we have a lot of thoughts, we do a lot of constant self-talk every day in our minds, and very often we are not very nice to ourselves. We often beat ourselves up mentally when things don't go as planned, and we are, as you probably know, our own worst critics. So really pay attention to that. And also, for example, when you are at a gym, don't get into a habit. If you set out, okay, I'm going to do 3 sets of 15 reps, don't be that guy that after 13 or 14 reps, if you are exhausted, you think, okay, it's enough. Nobody knows if I'm going to do 13, 14, or 15, so I will just quit here at 14 because it's hard enough already and the next rep will hurt quite a lot. Don't be that guy. Don't get into a habit where you're always looking for this shortcut to this excuse. If you set out to do 15 reps, do 15 reps, no matter what. When I go work out, and I see that even after 10 reps I'm struggling and I have 5 more to go, no matter how long it will take, if I have to take breaks in between, if I have to have pause for a little bit, I will always go to the 15 reps, no matter how long it will take. This helps build the discipline muscle, and you will show yourself, you will prove to yourself that if it's necessary and if it comes down to, then you have the power to go that extra mile, or at least do the things that you said to yourself that you were to do. Also, when it comes to running, for example, if you say that you want to run 3 or 4 kilometers or miles or whatever, don't say at 3.8, 3.7, 3.9, that's enough, it's close enough, I'm quite exhausted, it was a good run, because you will know that you did not follow through. And if you do this repeatedly every day or every 2 or 3 days, then you will become, or you will remember it internally, maybe even unconsciously, that you don't have to go the full mile, you don't have to really commit, or you don't have to really go to the end, 3.8, 3.7, it's enough Nobody will know if you go the extra 100 or 200 miles, but you will know, and that makes all the difference, because you will know that you are not that person that is really following the rules, that always looks for an easy way out. You will know that there's always an easy way out, and that will manifest in many areas of your life. Also, when you said that you were going to finish your whatever it is, your studies, your email, your article, or your report on a specific day, do that. Don't look for an excuse. Don't try to get out, or don't try to rationalize why, oh, I still have a few days, so it's not that important to do it. When you said you were going to do that, always do it, because always follow through on your commitments, always commit, and always do what you said that you were going to do. That is such an important skill to develop, because it will manifest in so many areas of your life. And as I said, if you prove to yourself time and again that you don't have to give 100%, that you don't have to really fully be disciplined, that it doesn't really make that much of a difference in the end if you do it today or tomorrow, or if you do 13, 14, or 15 reps. It will manifest in many areas, and your discipline muscle will not develop, and it will not become strong. But if you always do the things that you set out you were going to do, then you become a very, very different person. You will know that you are the person that is doing the things that he says he's going to do. Also in business, that's a very nice characteristic to have. Especially, I see it when we do business with other people. It's very nice to make business with people who do the things they say they were doing, instead of finding excuses, not showing up, being late. Those things, they add up, not only in trading, but in your daily life, in your business life, or when you make promises to your family, to your partner, to your spouse. Always follow through, always give 100%, be on time, because it will make a very big difference in many areas of your life. You cannot expect that if you are sloppy outside of your life, you are looking for excuses, but then when you come to your trading charts, you suddenly can follow all your rules. You can journal all your trades when you say that you are going to journal them. I know journaling is sometimes a little bit boring. It is actual work, and so many traders look for excuses why they don't have to do it. Maybe don't get into a position where you're always doing those things, because in the end, little things, they will add up, and you are the person, or what's the saying goes something along the lines as how you do one thing is how you do all things, and yeah, that's very, very important. And if you have developed good discipline, it will become much easier for you to sit down every evening or on the weekends, depending on the time frame that you trade, make a trading plan, take a few hours, or at least 1 hour, 90 minutes. Take the time to go through your markets that you want to trade, make a trading plan, write down your notes. After you have journaled your trades, after you're taking your trades, go and journal them. Respect your rules. Maybe have a checklist for getting into trades, how to manage the trades. And this will make you not only a more disciplined trader, but it will also bring a lot of consistency in your overall trading, which will then make your account growth or your account development smoother. It decreases the volatility, it decreases uncertainty, and you will become a much, much better and consistent, calmer trader. So I hope you like this style of video. I'm planning to do more of those little rants or little just psychology lessons or other lessons. And if you did so, make sure to leave a comment or a thumbs up, and I look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions or suggestions for the next video that you would like me to talk about, also make sure to leave a comment below, and I'm very happy to do that and help out. Happy trading, and see you next time.